Hi, good evening. Welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagdish Chandran sharing the most anticipated IPO of the year. This IPO is especially noteworthy and it's the first from the Tata Group in nearly 2 decades, with Tata Consultancy Services being the last group company to go public in 2004. We provide an in-depth review and key details of Tata Technologies IPO priced attractively between 475 to rupees 500. This IPO presents a unique opportunity for long-term investment. Be the part of Tata Technology growth story and don't miss out the unique opportunity. The new player on the street, Tata Technologies Limited. The price band is rupees 475 to 500. The lot size is 30 shares. The offer period is 22nd to 24th November 2023. The issue size is 3042.51 crore. To be listed on 5th December. The company's profile is they are a leading global engineering services company offering a product development and digital solutions, including the turnkey solutions to global original equipment manufacturing and tier 1 suppliers globally. With over 2 decades of experience, they have a deep domain experience and expertise in automotive industry such as the aerospace, transportation and construction heavy machinery industries. Such expertise to serve its clients in adjacent industries such as the aerospace, transportation and construction heavy machineries. Do participate and do not miss this opportunity for wealth creation. Thank you. Happy investing. Take care.